Hello friends, welcome to my channel Animated Study. Today we will understand how Central Processing Unit, commonly known as CPU or processor, works in our computer. First we understand each component used during the process, and later part of the video we will take example to understand it completely. So I request you to watch video till the end. CPU, also known as the microprocessor, is the heart or brain of computer. CPU is the electronic circuitry within a computer that execute instructions available in computer program. The CPU performs basic arithmetic, logic, controlling, and input-output operations specified by the instructions in the program. All CPUs follow the fetch, decode, and execute steps in their operation, which are collectively known as instruction cycle. Fetch. In this, CPU gets the instructions from the program to process. Decode. This stage CPU decide what actions required to take. In the decode step, performed by the circuitry known as the instruction decoder. Execute. Depending on the CPU architecture, this may consist of single actions or sequence of actions. Various parts of the CPU are electrically connected so they can perform the action and we get desired output. There are two main components of a CPU used in the process, known as first, control unit (CU). The control unit is the component of the CPU that directs the operations of the processor. It tells the computer's memory, arithmetic and logical unit, and input and output devices that how to respond to the instructions that have been sent to the processor. Simply, it directs the operations of the other unit by providing timings and control signals. Most computer resources are managed by the control unit. Second, arithmetic and logical unit ALU. ALU is the combinational digital electronic circuit that performs arithmetic operation like addition, subtractions or bitwise operation that are works on bits 0 and 1 like bitwise AND, bitwise OR on a binary numbers. Register. Register usually consists of small amount of fast storage. So there are several registers available in CPU for different functionality. Bus. A bus is a connection between components or devices connected to the computer. For example, a bus carries data between a CPU and the system memory via the motherboard. Let's try to understand the whole process by taking example. Suppose we want to execute this kind of code for addition of two variables. Let's see how CPU perform all operation one by one. First, the control unit takes the first instructions from the code and store the instructions addressed in the program counter. In our case, it is 1. Since first instructions is A is equal to 2, control unit load the value of variable A into the register A for faster processing. This is end of the first instructions. The program counter increment value by 1, so the new value is 2. Control unit load the value of B variable, that is 3 in our case, into register B. At the end of these instructions, program counter increment by 1, so the recent value is 3. Control unit fetch the instructions on address 3, that is A plus B. Now it's understand it to go for the summation. This process is called decode, and control unit take the decisions to call the arithmetic and logical unit ALU for the addition process. ALU use its electronic circuit and add the numbers. The result 5 is stored in the register and later control unit transfer the results to main memory to reuse the register. Such kind of billions of instructions executed by the modern CPU per second. I hope you understand basic mechanisms of CPU by this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.